In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in Pinnacle Online Banking. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Pinnacle Financial Partners or banking application and simply go ahead and click on Enroll Now button on the bottom of your screen. Now you can choose between your personal or business account. I'm going to do personal, but you can choose whatever it is. Then you're going to be taken to this tab right over here where all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on I have read the above disclosure. Go ahead and read this if you want to and click on I agree. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this screen where you want to enter your social security number, your account number, your zip code, birth date, email address, your access ID, a password that you want to create, and then that is it. Simply enter all this, click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to the email that is provided. And when you enter the verification code back into the application, your account will be ready. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any further queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.